Most drivers get this wrong. Who goes first here? An intersection with no stop or yield signs. All vehicles arrive at the same time. The rule is yield to the vehicle on the right. The green car has a vehicle on its right, a yellow car. The yellow car also has a vehicle on its right, a red car. The red car has no vehicle on its right. It moves first. As the red car begins its turn, the green car appears in front of it, traveling straight. The red car stops. Now the yellow car no longer has a vehicle on its right. It moves next. After that, the green car no longer has a vehicle on its right. It proceeds. The red car completes the maneuver last. An intersection with no stop or yield signs. All vehicles arrive at the same time. The rule is yield to the vehicle on the right. The yellow car has a vehicle on its right, the red car. The yellow car waits. The red car has no vehicle on its right. It begins a left turn. However, when turning left, a driver must yield to oncoming traffic traveling straight or turning right. The green car is turning right. The red car must yield. The green car proceeds first. After that, the red car completes its turn. The yellow car proceeds last. 4 vehicles arrive at the intersection at the same time. All are traveling straight. Each driver must yield to the vehicle on their right. A deadlock occurs. No driver can move. In this situation, one driver may give up priority and signal the others to go. After that, vehicles proceed one at a time. It's not random. It's all about who has priority and when. If this made you think, you're already ahead of most drivers. Subscribe for more real-world driving situations and check the full lesson in the description.